Hi, my name is Rich Glady. I head up the Lubricants division for VP Racing Fuels. I've been in the lubricant business for 38 years, and I started my career with Kendall Oil Company, and I was vice president of a company called American Refining Group and created the Penn Grade 1 green oil line. Since being with VP for approximately 4 years, we created an outstanding line of racing oils working with a leading additive chemical company. And one of those products is our new diesel racing oil SAE 5W40. We use a very stout CK4 package in this oil, which is for the bigger engines like Cummins, Detroit Diesel, Mack, and those type of players. In addition to that, we put a very high level of zinc and phosphorus. This oil contains a very high viscosity index, and we use a very heavy molecular polymer to prevent shearing within that diesel engine. This is a very good product for smaller diesel racing engines in the marketplace. If you have any questions concerning any of our products, feel free to contact our tech service department. We're here to help you. Thank you very much.